Hey guys, welcome to my channel George Design, and today we'll be doing this amazing design on Photoshop. Let's get into it. First thing we are going to do is bring in our image, which I'll just bring in the background, which I'll bring it from here. I'll expand it to our Canva. It's no problem if it distorts. Okay, I know. Our next step is actually to go to filter, go to glue and gradual glue, and I'll just maybe 8.0. that's okay. Then we'll bring in our image, which I also downloaded on Pinterest because my friend who sent me that design sent me the link to download the image on Pinterest. Then I'll try adjust it and make it bigger. I'm holding down Shift and Alt. I made the image bigger. Good. I think this is okay. Yeah. I'll position it in the window. I think this is good. Okay. Then I'll go to image. I'll go to adjustments, go to hue saturation, and just play around this with the skin. Saturation, make it brighter a bit, darker, kind of -9 or 7. I think this is good. I'll go back to the image, go back to adjustments, go back to vibrance, and just increase the saturation here. Not too much. 13 or 10 is okay. Okay. Our next step is to create a new layer. Then we'll do go to pen tool and just click here. Let's say let me just click here, here and here. So I'll be leaving this yellow. Let me make it a bit darker. Okay, I'll be leaving this yellow. Then I'll just come to this place and this is cool. Okay, I'll bring this down below the image. This is good. Then our next step is also to create a new layer and go back to our pen tool. Just click here. Let's see here, and I think that's too much. I just Ctrl Z that to delete here and here. Okay, so I will go back to this part and just make it, just drag. Actually, I think this is good. Yes, this is perfect. Let me zoom in. Yeah, this is good. Okay, now our next step is to bring in our icon, which I also downloaded on Pinterest. This one, I'll just hold down my Shift and Alt to reduce the size and just position it here. I'll bring it down and just position it here. Okay, yeah, perfect. Next step is bringing in daily memes. I actually saw this on YouTube, so I downloaded it from YouTube. I don't know if it's on Pinterest, but you can check it out. If you need it, you can hit me up. I'll send you this image direct. I'll send it to you directly. Okay, I'll just put this one here. I'll Ctrl J to duplicate and drag down here, reduce it a bit. Sorry. Okay, I'm make sure you are on your duplicated image and go to filter, go to blur. Partial blur is too much. Let's do maybe 6.6. Okay, good. So I'll just create a new layer, go to my text and just type in welcome. I'll be using Roboto regular. Maybe I'm using 18. It's too much, too small. Let's say 24. Oh, we'll adjust it later. I'll type in welcome to name. Okay. Then our next one is to create a new layer, be on your text and just type in, should use August, but think we should just use March. Should I use March? Maybe. I think March should do. I don't like this font, but we'll see. We'll change that. Okay, let's arrange this first. So this March will make it bigger. Panel, sorry, just make it bigger. We'll change the color to white, which is this, and adjust it. Let me manually adjust it here. I don't like this font for some reason. I'll just change it to, let me see, let's just play around and see what we have. I think this is good. I think I like this one. Yeah, I think I like this one. I'll just flip it a bit. Then I'll go to the March, which will also change the font. I just don't like the font. Let's go to Bostro or something like that. Bastro. Okay, I think Bastro is good. Then I'll just, I think it's too big. Reduce it to reduce it a bit. Maybe. Okay. Welcome to March. I think I like this one. Then I'll just flip it a bit. Yeah. I'll go to the welcome. Just shift it this way. I think this is good. I think this is good. Our next step is actually to create a new layer. Go to text and just type in dot more memes dot okay. We'll just go go to our character panel and just reduce the spacing. This is good. Then make it smaller. Reduce the spacing again to like 10. This is good. Then our last step is also more joy. Create a new layer and just type in, as usual, dot, type in more joy. Okay, then I have to adjust it close to the hair. Good. Good. Now that's our design. We just export. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, comment, and see you next week. Peace out.